Today I'm riding my scooter to this really cool beach that I heard has possible body surfing if the conditions are correct. Because I know I'll butcher the name, I'm going to let my young Greek friends pronounce the name of this beach.
Plathiena, that's the name of the beach.
The beach is just about a 20-minute ride from the port city of Adamas. Hey, when I first got here, as you can see, the waves were good for body surfing, and I did catch a few. However, they soon dissipated and it became calm because the weather was changing. Okay, this kind of looks like a fun beach. It was a cool ride in. There's a restaurant behind me. There are changing rooms that I just walked by, and a bathroom. There are a few trees, looks like, for shade. And a few waves, maybe for body surfing. So, sunbeds, I don't know how much they are. I'm not going to get one. Maybe I'll ask later. But, yeah, let's see. Hi.